अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैंने एक मजमून इंडियन यूनियन मुस्लिम लीग के बारे में 2011 में लिखा था। ये मजमून द टाइम्स ऑफ लीग रिसाले में शाया हुआ। ये रिसाला IUML की तरफ से चेन्नई से निकलता था। इस मजमून में लिखी चंद बातों को मैं आपके सामने ला रहा हूं। इससे आप मुस्लिम लीग ये हार्बिंजर ऑफ अमिटी एंड कम्युनल हार्मनी। It will be clear to any political observer in India that the Indian Union Muslim League IUML is a highly secular and nationalist party engaged in protecting the rights of minorities, particularly Muslims, and strengthening the bonds of camaraderie among different linguistic, ethnic, and religious people. It is a harbinger of amity and communal harmony. The late قائد Muhammad Ismail صاحب, who was elected as its president when it was formed after the partition of country in 1947, is still the soul of the party. It is the main representative body of Indian Muslims, thanks to the efforts taken by the Muslim League leaders in Kerala and Tamil Nadu during the past more than 60 years. All trusted Qaid Muhammad Ismail Sahib, Rahmatullahi Alayh, fully, and the Kerala and Tamil Nadu units more so. The Kerala unit of the IUML wanted him to be its representative in the Parliament of India. He was elected to the Parliament of India from the Manjeri constituency in Kerala 3 times in 1962, 1967 and 1971 as an IUML candidate without even going to the constituency for electioneering. He went there only to file his nomination papers. The electorates, who respected him immensely, exercised their franchise in his favor, and he always came out successful with a big margin of more than 1 lakh votes. He was secular and patriotic to the core. He asked people to follow the verse of the Holy Quran, وَاعْتَصِمُوا بِحَبْلِ اللَّهِ جَمِيعًا وَلَا تَفَرَّقُوا. Hold tight to the rope of God and be not divided among yourselves. When Pakistan started a war with India in 1965, Qaid while delivering a speech in the parliament, expressed his desire to send his only son, Mr. Mia Khan, to the battlefield to fight against Pakistan. After the creation of Pakistan, he had asked the Pakistani leaders not to interfere in the internal affairs of our country, India, and bid adieu to them. When the issue of national language came for discussion in the parliament, he pleaded that his mother tongue, Tamil, a rich language in all respects, should be made the national language. He was secular and patriotic to the core. He was instrumental in bringing the Muslim community on a single platform, particularly in Kerala and Tamil Nadu, and making them realize the importance of unity and integrity in accordance with the Islamic dictate. Qaid Millat echoed his voice against all kinds of injustice and encouraged righteousness, whichever quarter it came from. His contribution in bringing the DMK to power in Tamil Nadu cannot be forgotten. The trio, Mr. C. Annadurai, Anna, Mr. C. Rajagopalachari, Rajaji, and Mr. Muhammad Ismail, Qaid Millat, joined together and created history in 1967 when the DMK attained power for the first time, and the then DMK chief, Mr. C. Annadurai, became the chief minister of Tamil Nadu. He was the first member of a Dravidian party to hold that position. And he was also the first non-Congress leader to form a majority government in independent India. It was not on expected lines, but the late founder leader of the DMK, Anna, made it possible with the support of the above-mentioned two leaders. The gift of the gap that he and his young, energetic colleagues, like the present DMK chief Dr. Kalanjar, Mr. M. Karunanidhi, and others possessed, helped them in presenting the DMK party ideology to the people in a convincing and befitting manner and winning their hearts. Muslims have been cooperating with them from day one of the DMK. इस मजमून में ये बात वाज़ह तौर पर कही गई है कि जब से DMK का वजूद अमल में आया, तब से तमिलनाडु के मुसलमानों ने उसका साथ दिया और इस DMK पार्टी को कामयाब बनाने में कोई कसर न उठा रखा। आज भी मुसलमानों की कसीर तादाद